I'm actually a second generation owner of Electro Soft Incorporated. We're an electronics contract manufacturer. We specialize in printed circuit board assemblies, cables, wiring harnesses, and enclosures. Pretty much any benchtop electronic. We've been in business for 35 years. Drexel restored my confidence in myself. I started my MBA years ago in my 20s, and I never returned to it. And even taking over my family business, my father at the time said, "You really don't need it." And when I decided to go to Drexel, right away, being part of the executive MBA program, I was able to take lessons learned in class and immediately put that to work into the business and see immediate results. So then my conversations with my staff, with our support staff, became a lot more meaningful because I had more education and more confidence in what I was doing. I love working with people who are great at execution. And oftentimes in the professional workspace or in even some board work that you do in nonprofit, there's a lot of talk, but not a lot of action. And I find that my interaction with Drexel has always been people who could execute. And that keeps my energy going. I think oftentimes as a person of color, we sidestep and don't have conversation about race. Mainly because it's uncomfortable. Oftentimes it's because there's not a lot of language around it, and people don't have the endurance to have that type of conversation. What I do, because I'm at the tables in which I sit as an entrepreneur, I try to normalize that. I want to have those conversations. I want people to have a face to what they're hearing on the news. I want them to see that it's real. And it's important to me because I'm a mother of 2 teen boys.